In this tutorial, we will learn about index function. This is one of the most important function of Excel. So understand this function very carefully and try to master it. So what is index function? It is a lookup and reference function, and it returns a value or a reference of the cell at an intersection of a particular row and column in a given range. That is, we have a range here. So if we take this column, that is, from this column we want to take the value, and from this row we want to take the value. So this is the intersection point. So this value will be fetched. So in this way the index function return the value. So the syntax of index function is, we have two syntax. First one is equal to index, within bracket we have three arguments: array, row number and column number. Here column number is optional, but if you don't use the row number, then column number is required. You have to remember that. And the second syntax is equal to reference, equal to index, within bracket first argument is reference, then row number, then column number and area number. Here column number and area number is optional. Again you have to remember, if we don't use the row number, then column number is required, and if we use the row number, this is optional. You may use or you may not. So let's understand all these arguments. First one is array. This array or reference is a range of cell or an array constant. So this is a range of data or cells. From here we want to get the value. Then the row number, from which row we want to get the value. That is, select the row in an array or reference from which to return a value. That means select a row from which you want to take the value. If it is omitted, the column number will be required. Then again the column number. Select the column, that is, you have to select the column in an array or a reference from which you want to return the value. If column is omitted, then row number become required. Then area number. Suppose we took different area for reference. For here array or reference, we take array. If we take the reference here as 2 range or 3 range or more, then we have to select the area number. First range, second range, third range. So for that we have to use the area number. And the last example you can see, we have this table and this table. So we have 2 area. So if we take these 2 area in reference, then we have to use the area number as 1 or 2. So let's understand all this with examples. So we have 1, 2, 3 examples. So let's understand this. So in the first example, we will understand the basics of index function. So here we want to get the quantity of this item. So this is the quantity. It is in third column, and go over 1, 2, 3, 4 in the fourth row. So here our formula will be equal to index, our array. We will take whole table as array, comma, row number. So row number becomes 1, 2, 3 and 4. So give here 4, comma, column number. So column number is 1, 2, 3. We want to get the quantity. So 3, then bracket close and enter. So you can see we got 200. But we all know that this column number, you can say it is optional. So if we want to omit this 3, type here equal to index array, comma, row number. So row number is 4. Then if I don't use column number, you can see it will give us an error. You can see we got error because here index function cannot understand from which column it should be taken. So for that reason, here we cannot take the array as total table. We have to take a single column range. So here if I take the single column range and press enter, we will get the value. So in the same way, if we want to omit the row number and want to use the column number, so again let's try with the table equal to index array is this one, comma, we want to omit the row number, so we do not put the row number, comma, column number is 3, bracket close and enter. Here we got 200, but it may not get the result as we want because we do not give the row number. If I change here the value, suppose mango, it still give 200. So for that reason, here in the array, we cannot give the total range as we do not put the row number. So we have to select a single row range. So here, if we want to take the value for this, we have to take a single row range. Now press enter. We got 500. So in this way, you can use the index function. So in the same way, if we want to make this number dynamic, that is here we have used 3 or 4, 3, we want to make this value dynamic. So how to do that? So let's start with the table. So type here equal to index, select the array, comma, row number. So for which row we want to get the value. So here is the caret. So we want to get the row number from this. So for that, we have to use the match function. We have already learned the match function. So lookup value is caret, comma, we will look this value within this range, comma, 0 for exact match. So here you can see we got the row number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we change the value here, then this value will also be changed automatically. Comma, column number. If we want to make the column number dynamic, so we can use this lookup value. So here also you have to use the match function. Lookup value is this one, comma, the lookup array is this one, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close. So if I select here and press F9, you can see 3, quantity 1, 2, 3, column number 3. Then here bracket close. Now enter. We got here 250 for caret. If I change the value, here suppose potato, you can see the value is changed because all the values here are dynamic. Here as we have taken a fixed integer, here if I type anything, brinjal, we are getting the same result. Brinjal here, it is a quantity is 50, but it is not changed because all these are fixed number. So as we have done here without column number and here without row number, we'll also try this here. So type here equal to index array. So here we have already learned that when we remove the column part, then we have to select the array as single column. So here we want the quantity, so select quantity, comma, row number. Here we use match, lookup value is this one, melon, comma, lookup array is this one, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close and enter. So we got 1000, melon 1000. And here for single row range equal to index array. Suppose we are taking for guava, so select this range and comma, again comma, we left the row number as blank, then column number use match, lookup value is this one, comma, select this, comma, 0, bracket close for index, bracket close for match, enter. We got 200 quantity. But here if we want to change this price, so here 28, you can see 28, and here as column and row both are dynamic, here potato is 15, you can see potato is 15, but here it is the same because here we have given the row number and selected the column as a array. So here we have omitted the column, so it is not changing. This two will be changed by this change, and here if we change the suppose melon, we are not getting the value because here row number is not selected, we have got a single row. Here we selected guava, so it is not changing here. So in this way you can use this index function in a simple way, and to make it dynamic we can use this way. So now let's understand the second example. Here we all know that if we want to get a value from a table, we can do it with the help of VLOOKUP. Suppose here type equal to VLOOKUP, our lookup value is brinjal, comma, table array is this one, we are leaving this one, comma, column index number is, suppose we are getting the price, so 1 2 3 and 0 for exact match, bracket close and enter. So we got 32. You can see brinjal 32. But if I select the table array as total range, then we are not getting any value, because VLOOKUP cannot look on the left side. The lookup value must be in the extreme left of the table. But here the lookup value is not in the first column, it is in the second column. So we cannot use VLOOKUP in this case. So for that reason, here we will type equal to index. So our array. So we want to get the price. So maybe sometime you want to know the price or quantity or type, you can make it a dynamic. So first get the array, comma, row number. So row number is match, lookup value is brinjal, comma. So lookup array should be this one, comma, 0 for exact match. Now if I select the row number and press F9, so we got the result 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now comma, again match, lookup value is type, comma, lookup array is this one, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close and bracket close for index. Press enter. So the result is vegetable. The brinjal is a vegetable. If I type here mango, so it is fruit. If I change the type here, suppose QTY, quantity, so it's 500, mango 500. If I want the price, type a price, we got 25. Again change the item, potato, we got the price 15, and here QTY 400. So in this way we can get the result from any column. We can get the result from the first column, maybe the lookup value is from second column, third column or fourth column. It doesn't matter. It affects in the VLOOKUP but does not affect in index function. So this is a very powerful function and it helps where VLOOKUP failed. Now we will understand the third example. Here we have two area. One is for fruit and another is for vegetable. So if I want to sometime get the value of fruit, sometime we want to get the value of vegetables, how to do that? So type here equal to index. So here we will use this second syntax. So first reference. So here we will get the reference. So here we have two reference, one here, one here. So this reference should be within bracket. Remember that. First bracket open, select this range, comma, select this range, bracket close. Remember, this can be more than 2, and here we have the same height, 1 2 3 4, here 1 2 3 4, there is same height, but it may be same height or may not be, that doesn't also matter. Now comma, row number. So from which row you want? Suppose we want to look for fruit, so we want to look for the grapes, so it is on second row. So type 2, comma, area number, from which area. So this is the first area, B44 to E47, B44 to E47. So this is the first. So type here 1, bracket close and enter. So here we got fruit. So here is some mistake. Let's see. Okay. We want the price. So sorry, here column number will be 4, then area number. Area number is 1. Enter. We got 50. But if we want the same row number 2, but area number 2. So here we have to change this area number 2. So we got 10 here. See, cabbage, price 10. Now, if I want to make it little dynamic, so here we will do it like this way, equal to index reference this, sorry, here we have to put one bracket, then comma, this range. Maybe you can use this range, no problem. Here we have 2 rows, no problem. Bracket close, comma, row number. So row number is 3. We want to look the third row, comma, column number. So if I want to see the price, so it is 4. If I want to see the quantity, it is 3. So this is the column number, comma, area number is 2. Type here this one. Now bracket close and enter. We got 400. See, row number 3, area number 2. So this is the area number 2. Row number 3, column number 3. So this is the column number 3. So 400. If I want to change it to row number 4, you can see 50. If I change it to row number 1, so it's 1000. If I change the column number to 4, you can see column number 4. So it's price. Area number 1, here 30. If I change area number 3, it is blank because in area number 3, we do not have any values. That is why it is giving error. So in this way, you can also get value from multiple areas. So I hope you have understood this index function very clearly. But still, if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, write me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And also do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.